Fuel delivery in a diesel system is critical. The injection pump is the mechanism that ensures fuel is delivered to injectors at precise timing, pressure, and flow. Over time, wear, tolerance drift, or part fatigue can degrade its performance, making replacement necessary. The pump in focus here is J926887, compatible with several case tractor models including 2555, 2155, 2188, 420, MX200, MX220, and CPX420. This breakdown will cover compatibility, internal criteria, inspection, installation, bleeding, testing, and real-world validation. A purchase link is included below, but it's essential to verify compatibility before ordering. When an injection pump weakens, symptoms surface. Idling may become erratic. Under load, the engine might struggle, lose power, or hesitate. Smoke, especially black, can become pronounced, or starting might become difficult. These are signs that tolerances have deviated and the pump no longer delivers fuel in the precise manner the injectors require. Compatibility extends far beyond matching pump number. While J926887 is intended for certain case models, engines often evolve. Identical model numbers might mask differences in injection systems, drivetrain interfaces, or internal geometry. Thus, even if model names coincide, internal specs must be cross-checked. Internally, the pump consists of plungers, sleeves, delivery valves, return springs, seals, and drive interfaces. All rubbing parts must maintain tight clearances. The smoother the surfaces, the less internal leakage. The delivery valves and springs must respond consistently. The material of each component must resist wear, heat, and corrosion. Inferior materials or finishes degrade faster and compromise performance. A vital aspect is the pump's flow versus pressure characteristic. As engine speed increases, the pump must supply additional fuel volume while holding stable pressure. If flow drops at high RPM, the engine is starved. If the pump over-delivers at low load, the mixture becomes too rich, leading to black smoke or wasted fuel. Before fitting, compare the old pump's curve to that of the J926887 and ensure they align within acceptable margins. The mechanical drive interface is equally important. The spline count, spline length, flange design, seal surface alignment, and drive coupling must match precisely. Even a minor mismatch in spline number or seal height can lead to failure or leakage. The mounting bolt pattern, face alignment, and spacing all have to coincide exactly with the engine's pump flange. When the replacement pump arrives, rigorous inspection is essential before mounting. Rotate the drive shaft by hand to confirm smoothness and minimal play. Examine all ports to ensure seals and O-rings are correctly seated. Watch for burrs or machining defects. If the pump ship is dry, some designs require pre-priming or oiling to prevent dry start damage. Check the manufacturer's instructions. During installation, alignment and torque matter. Use the correct gasket or seal surface lineup timing marks, if applicable, between pump and engine drive. Tighten bolts in a cross pattern to the factory torque spec. Misalignment or uneven torque can distort the pump body, misalign the drive, or cause leaks. Attach fuel lines, return lines, and any bleed ports, making sure hoses route cleanly, avoid sharp bends, and maintain correct orientation. Air in a diesel fuel system is detrimental. It causes compressibility, which destabilizes pressure. Bleeding must be thorough. Use priming mechanisms, bleed screws, or vacuum-assisted tools to push fuel through until it flows bubble-free. Crank, without ignition, to push fuel through injectors and lines and continue bleeding until the system is fully primed and stable. Upon first start, observe carefully. The engine should catch and idle smoothly. Watch for white smoke, an indicator of trapped air or improper mixture, or black smoke, often a signal of overfueling. Let the system stabilize, then gradually increase load. Monitor throttle response, look for hesitation or misfire, and assess behavior across the RPM range. Any irregularity